Ah, they're going to fight? G.
Yeah, they are going to fight now.
G.
Don't get caught in the club. Don't get caught in the club.
Bro, they're going for bomb, ah.
Wait, pull that out.
Okay, side by side, guys. Side by side. They're bomber, ah. They bomb, okay?
Yeah, they're clap. They clap.
Okay.
You go back to Samsudin.
Bro, I'm going in. Ah, they're mounting up.
Bomb the tanker.
They're repositioned, ah. They're repositioned. They're going for bomb.
I respond this. Oh my god, bro. It's already dead. It's already dead. Only Siron inside us. The Siron inside us. Kill him.
God, I'm lagging.
Naglalag nga din ako. Ba't
Fuck.
He's already dead. Nice. One guy dead. Oh my god, they're battling him dead too.
Hindi.
Now you ain't getting away, brother. You ain't getting away. There, two. Two and here, two.
Ano? Napatay na lahat?
Eh.
Meron pa rin.
Oh, there's more.
Ang dami.
There's more of them, guys. Ah, bombers. Clap.
Not Indian. They're mainly dead.
It's okay.
Oh, wait. They're going to engage again, ah. Be careful. They have CD now. Oh, wait for your CD also. We don't have pots, ah. Okay. 30 seconds on pots.
Look them.
Okay.
Super good.
Okay, be ready. Keep cutting northwest, keep cutting. Wait. CD. 15 seconds for the pots, bro. Wait.
Super bootsy.
We don't have defensive yet, ah. Be careful.
I got Blink. I got Resi in it.
Okay, ready. I'm now ready. I have pots.
Yes.
I'm going to rush them, ah. Okay, I rush them. Okay, I'm deep.
I have to do it, but the vehicle. Nice. Lang weapon.
Kung hindi nila binabalaan ko.
Keep going inside.
The tank is not up here. Kill the tank. Not that here. Nice. Go on them now. Don't need to even try now. Just you can roll.
Be careful on joke, guys. They might engage. Okay, be careful.
I don't feel it. That's easy. Ay, nasa na kayo?
No. We still with this.
Ready? Okay, be careful. Go back. Don't go on the choke.
Ano? Kite.
Keep healthy.
I have, firewall.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay, be ready. Wait.
One misstep of that. They don't have DPS. They don't have much DPS.
Okay. No demonic now. Wait again. Oh, we don't have
Push the
data.
bridge.
Okay, go. Wait. Don't go straight ahead.
I can valor them. I can valor someone else's. Oh shit, man. Push them. Come on, push them.
They're dead.
What is that?
She might be.
Okay. Can someone mount up? And don't dismount on the front, okay? Can someone mount and go ahead? Okay, they're now looking, bro. Okay, Pats on me.
Yeah, they will share everything. You should have done right. You have to call them. No, I'm alive.
CC, you should mount up and go under behind.
Wait. 8 seconds.
Just keep rolling them, keep rolling them. Roll their healer, guys. Roll their healer, roll their healer. Just roll their healer. Full focus on their healer, they have to mana go. He is 40 out. He's blink it out. Roll their healer, roll their healer. He's almost dead, almost dead. Oh my fucking god, will it stop with that?
Okay, one more. Go to the side, go to the sides.
Oh,
Okay, they're going for engage.
no, no.
Careful, be careful.
Yun, please.
Okay, I'm holding them back, I'm holding them.
Please, yun.
I roll their tank, I roll their tank. The tank can die, tank can die, tank can die, tank can die, only tank can
No
die.
joy.
Tank can die, tank can die.
Yeah bro, I canceled.
Whoever it is, tank can die. They're using. I reported.
Ano, wala nang ano yung
On healer. Man, we can just.
Go to the sides, go to the sides. Go to the sides, don't go in the middle.
Oh my.
CC, can you mount up, please? CC, can you mount up? Go ahead of them. Don't hit, bro. Go ahead of them. Go so ahead of them, okay?
1 second.
They're looking.
Okay, and
You can't do this, you can't do this. Oh shit. Nice. SC almost dead. SC can die. Shadow Caller can die. I do not third man.
CC, go mount up. Okay, dismount there, dismount. CC. Move ahead, CC. Okay. Nice, firewall.
They're looking.
Engage them. They are low.
They wasted engage. On the healer. Forget the healer, then. Their tank abandoned them. Go in front.
Takbo. Ayaw mo, ano. I can't mount up.